I am doing the Boomba Boomba dance now. Smoked chicken biryani is again a super delicacy if you make it right. I'm going to show you how to make Tangdi Kebab Biryani, which will be smoked and you can cook it at home on a tawa. With that, I'm going to serve you Badami Malai Tadka. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to another session of biryani making. And today we're going to use Tangdi Kebab, that is a chicken drumsticks. So we're going to take this chicken drumstick, marinate it well, and we're going to convert into kebab and biryani. The chicken drumstick, when you get it, there are two spots where the meat is very deep. So in that spots, just use a knife and make sure you see the bone. And the other side also, just two cuts. Do not cut this more than that. So you have this chicken tangdi ready. In this, we're going to add yogurt. Do not add watery yogurt. Add little bit of thick yogurt. Often what we do is, for the kebabs we use hung yogurt. Now in this, we're going to add the masalas. Do not add too much, very little of Garam Masala powder. The rest of the powders you say, I'm going to add little bit of jeera powder, some dhania powder, ginger garlic paste. Here is the nutmeg powder. Nutmeg powder gives a great flavor for the kebab, but not too much, very little. Add turmeric, pepper powder. To spice it up a little more, I'm going to add green chilli paste. I'm not going to add red chilli powder in this, and also add some finely chopped coriander. Add some lime juice, mix the entire thing, a little bit of oil, and then marinate the chicken. So these chicken drumstick, what I have done, I put it in the salt water, so they are already nice and tender. So this masala, apply it, and you can keep it for 1-2 hours, and this chicken is ready to turn into kebabs. Those kebab we are going to only half cook because they are going to be converted again into biryani. If you are cooking this chicken tangdi kebab in the tandoor, you can add little bit of malai, even some cheese you can add, but make it into a fine paste and add. But if you are doing on tawa, don't do it again, it will melt and burn. So these tangdi are ready, and we are going to first cook it on a tawa. Give it kind of a nice flavor to it, and then we are going to make the biryani. I have already brined the chicken in salt water, adding salt and mix this nice and thoroughly. Take a brush, apply some oil on the pan. You have the tawa. This is where it is really hot. So we are going to put the chicken in circles. So now take the chicken pieces and we are going to cook them till the chicken is half cooked. In between, turn the chicken pieces, make sure it is cooked in all directions. Anyway, they will be cooked along with the biryani. The chicken is, I do not want to cook it fully, I just want to half cook this. But I need to give it a nice smoking effect so that the tangdi will taste really good. So for that, to give the smoke effect, I'm going to put a bowl in the center, take the hot charcoal, put it in the center. This is how I'm going to give a smoky effect. In this, I'm going to add, ghee that will start giving the smoke. I'm going to put the silver foil, seal off the edges. Now the chicken, what is stuck inside, will get that nice smoky flavor. And I'm going to switch off the flame. And once the chicken is half cooked like this, the smoky flavor, I'm going to make it into biryani. The Tangdi Kebab is cooking on the another stove. So let's start the biryani. For this, we're going to add some oil in the pan. In this oil, we're going to add the bay leaf, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, mace, and also we're going to add some shahi jeera. We're going to add some ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add the yogurt. And in this, coriander powder, a little bit of Garam Masala powder, some cumin powder. I'm going to add a little bit of red chilli powder. Whatever I have left here, the masala, the green chilli paste, pudina, the brown onion. Now in this, add water, add salt. We are going to put the Tangdi Kebab and also the rice. Now the Tangdi Kebab is, half cooked and it is fully still in the smoke. I can actually, wow. You can get a nice flavor here, and my gravy is also ready. But I want to keep the rice ready. I'm going to put one layer of rice and then I'm going to put the kebab. So first let me cook the rice also. In the hot boiling water, I'm going to add some oil, add salt. mix the entire thing. We're going to add the basmati rice, which I have soaked for 30 minutes. The rice need to cook till it is almost 80% done. You have to look at this, how the rice is. So this is like 75% done. I'm going to switch off the flame. I'm just going to put the rice on the edges. The first layer of rice, I'm going to move the rice onto the side. Let's get our Tangri Kebabs. Silo foil, the kebabs that have been smoked. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the meat part in the center, bone part on the top. Take these kebab pieces, they're all nicely smoked and fully flavorful. We're going to cover this with the rest of the rice. On top of this, we're going to put hot rice. So some of the masala from the tawa, I'm just scraping it for getting that nice extra flavor. On top of this, put brown onion, some more mint, coriander, some saffron water, a little bit of ghee. We're going to put lid on. We're going to cook on a slow flame for another 10 minutes and then we're going to switch it off. Tangdi chicken biryani, you need a good raita. We are going to give Badami Malai Tadka and this raita will be excellent, very very tasty. For making this Malai Tadka, first take yogurt and make sure it is nice and sweet. In this, add some finely chopped green chili. You're going to add any grated cheese. So trust me, with the biryani, this will be just awesome. So mix all of this and we're going to do the Badami Malai Tadka for this. We're going to do the ghee tadka here. So add a little bit of ghee, add badam. This badam has been soaked in the water and then sliced. And we're going to give it a nice slight color with turmeric. You can also add saffron instead and add some finely chopped garlic. Add some salt and add raisins. This raisin, I've just chopped it a little bit. You want this badam also to fry along with this kishmish. When you see this kishmish bubbling up, then it is all perfect. Transfer this into the raita. This is the Badami Malai Tadka raita. Mix all of this and the cheese, everything will be perfect. Just make sure the salt is good. A little bit of light yellow effect be there when you serve this. Getting the shine on the plate because it is Tangdi Kebab Biryani, not ordinary biryani. We're going to serve the biryani. The chicken drumsticks, they are nicely cooked and will give a nice fragrance. Also, even I just want to pick up the rice for you. Look at the rice, even from the bottom, they will come out excellent. Wow, look at the rice. To get this nice pearl-like effect, you have to use good basmati rice, only then. But be very careful with the rice. This is my Tangdi Kebab Biryani. Look, all these legs standing erect. The biryani will be fantastic. These many chicken drumsticks, life is beautiful. Look at them. It reminds me of my youthful days, where I used to finish one chicken a day. But this one is amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and taste it. When it is so good, you got to eat it nice and hot. You can see the smoke. This has got the perfect smoke effect. Wow. There are 2-3 ways you can eat. One is hold the chicken leg on one hand and take this such a perfectly cooked basmati rice. This Badami Malai Tadka with this Tangdi Kebab Biryani. When you eat the best of the best food, only things that comes out of your mouth is vareva. Because absolutely bumba bumba. Make it, eat it, keep saying vareva. I am doing the bumba bumba dance now.